Welcome. In front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device's battery drains out too quickly. So the first thing you can change is the power mode of your device. So right click the battery icon right here, select power and sleep settings. Now expand the power mode tab, and change this option to best power efficiency. You can do this both for your device when it's plugged in on battery. The second thing that you can do is to remove the applications that use up the most battery power. To do that, right click the taskbar, select Task Manager. Now right here, right click one of the column headers, for example this one, and select Power Usage. Now you can filter the results by power usage and to disable the application that uses the most battery power, right click on it and select End Task. The next thing that you should do is to lower screen brightness. To do that, left click on three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then set the minimum level of brightness that you're comfortable with. The next thing that you should know is that connected devices use energy power of your laptop, and to disconnect them, open the Start menu, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and if you have any devices connected in here, simply disconnect them. And you can disable Bluetooth too, in order to save even more power. And the next thing I wanted to show you is that you can check your battery health and see if it needs a replacement. To do that, open the Start menu and search for CMD application. Once you find it, run it as administrator. Click Yes. In this field, input power CFG spacebar / battery report. Then copy this path by selecting it and tapping right click on it. Then open your File Explorer or your browser, open the path field, paste the path in there, and right here you can check your device's original capacity and also its current capacity. So if you take a look right here, you'll be able to see that my current capacity, which is full charge capacity, is twice as low as the design capacity, which is the original capacity, which means that my device can be charged only to half of its original battery capacity, which is very low, and the battery on this laptop simply needs replacement. You can do the same thing and check this for yourself and decide if your laptop's battery needs a replacement. And those were all the advice I wanted to mention today. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.